This is the beautiful TEMPWARE tabletop fireplace heater. Look at that beautiful blue cabinet this comes with. This nice, interesting strap. I think it's leather or some sort of vinyl. So let me give you the rundown of the controls. You've got your temperature, low to high. You can also have a selection of different types of scenarios. You want flame with heat high, flame with heat regular, just heat, or just flame, or off. So it actually, is very cool. It has a lot of features. There's a warranty, the instruction manual is here, very detailed. I believe the warranty is a year. I remember checking it. It's 1,000 to 1,500 watts. So let me tell you, I've been using this for a couple of days now, and it's getting cold up here in New York, so it is definitely working. I'm going to give you now the show here. Look at that. How cool is that? You got the flames setting back so you can see it. And it throws a lot of heat off. It's just for the price, nice little heater. It looks cool. People will be asking you where you got it. I'm sure of that. And you hear it running. Usually I don't like to run mechanical stuff on here. It's a higher setting because the motor picks up a lot on these little phones. They have pretty good speakers. So anyway, this is the whole thing. Very cool. Thumbs up. Safety features include overheat, tip over, which I tested all of them. They all worked great. So you got a good little package here for the money, and quite a show. Look at the show. I mean, that alone is worth the price, no? Am I wrong? Okay. Enjoy. I certainly did.